Okay.
we go.
All right. I forgot to grab my toolkit over here. We are going to talk about classroom discipline, how we teach our little one to get along with the other children in class and with the adults. It's all new to your child. They don't know how to be a friend yet. Sharing is a completely foreign concept. Taking turns is not something that they're fond of, and they're not going to do it, particularly. But we're going to start. So we have what we call our toolkit, and we will, in the next couple of days, we will be going through the contents of our toolkit. So we have, let's see if we can find the beginning of this. So we have one for boys, one for girls, and at circle time, we will go through this many times. Fun. Shows, shows a situation, makes boy angry. They both want to play with the ball at once. The boy gets angry. The boy has dragon brain. What does it feel like when you're just so mad that you're stomping and yelling? It's usually a pretty scary thing, and the children don't like that. So we talk about that happens. That's just kind of a normal thing that's going on. But what are we going to do about it? That's not something we want to have going on in our classroom as kids with dragon brain. I can't say that tonight. Boy remembers flower and candle breathing. So practice breathing in flowers, like you're smelling a pretty flower, and then blow out the birthday candle. And we practice this over and over, so that they understand when they're getting dragon brain. Miss Earl's going to help them to calm down. Boy smells flowers. Oops. Boy blows out candle. I'm going to have to fix that. The dragon is calming down. Boy calms down and is ready to play. That's pretty much how we handle things at school. Very gentle and reasonable, and we know that children are not the best at learning how to get along. We also go through problem-solving ideas. We'll talk about how to ask nicely, how to take a break. I have my most favorite thing in the classroom is my Apple timer. I used it yesterday, as a matter of fact, for taking turns. Say you can have the broom for 3 minutes, and let's set the timer. Here's the timer. They love my timer. We get to hear it go tick, and you play with it till it goes ding, and then you take turns. It's very, very helpful for helping you take a break, learn how to take turns. So that's something we do. We are flexible. How can we play with it together? Or what's something that we can both do together to help us? This says sand timer. I use, or flip a coin. We don't do that in our class. Sometimes we might play eeny, meeny, miny, mo, because I have no idea which child had what first. Okay? We try to be fair. Rock, paper, scissors for the big kids. They love to do that. Figure out who's going to have the turn. Excuse me. Sometimes we just need to wait a minute. And then sometimes 1 more minute. And then things are much better. And I tell them that they can always talk to Miss Laurel. They can always talk to the grown-ups in the classroom. Okay? So that's pretty much how we handle our discipline in the classroom. I have at times had our peaceful bench in the classroom. I took it home because I had my 5 grandchildren staying with me the last couple of weeks. It was very helpful at home. I don't know that I will bring it back in here. There's not really a nice, peaceful spot to put it this year. We totally rearranged the classroom.
Use a recliner.
But if we need to, huh?
Use a recliner.
Yeah. If we need to bring it in, if I see that we have somebody that really is going to need extra help and need to go sit in the peaceful bench and with a blanket, with a book, with a calm down jar, a settle jar, you shake it and you just watch the things settle and it helps you calm down, then we will do that. So there's lots of ways that we teach self-control in our classroom. That's one of the main goals of coming to preschool, is learning how to manage yourself. Okay, all right. Questions so far about any of that? All right. Let's do the risk management. Let's go ahead now and do you want to put this on a separate one perhaps?